Hello everyone, welcome to Tkinter Hub. In the previous video, we have created admin login page. And also, we have created student login page. Before I will show you student login page, I will add this whole code of admin login page in a function. If you have not watched previous videos, this complete project playlist link will be available in the description box. Now admin login page code will not execute, because now this code is inside in function, and yet we have not called this function. Now let me show you student login page. Student login page is also added in a function, as we have added admin login page in a function. So this is student login page. And also in the previous video, we have added show and hide password functionality. And in the first part of video, we have created welcome page. In this video, we will link these pages with each other. We will switch these pages in one window. And also in this video, we will create student registration page. We will start from welcome page, for link these pages. As you have watched, every page is added in a function. Here you can see welcome page function. So welcome page function, have a frame, and, this frame contain, all stuff of welcome page. If we will destroy this frame, then welcome page will be completely destroyed. So idea is simple, if user click student login button, then we will destroy welcome page, and then we will call, student login page function. So let's implement idea. Here I am creating a function, which will switch student login page. So in the function, we will destroy this frame. Here frame will be destroyed. After destroying frame, we will call student login page function. When welcome page frame will be destroyed, then student login page frame will be packed on screen. Let's add this function to button. Let's see. If I click this button, you can see student login page successfully switched. Also we will add this function to this student icon button. And also I have forget about to tell you, you maybe need to use root.update function, sometime changes not show on root window. This function will help you to show changes quickly. Now we will create back button, for switch back into welcome page. This arrow is not an image, this is a symbol or character. For add this symbol, we will use Windows Emoji Explorer. Here you can get many types of characters and emojis. We will use this arrow character. Now let's create switch back functionality. We will use same idea, for switch back into welcome page, as we have switched, student login page, from welcome page. We will destroy this frame. Here frame will be destroyed. After destroying frame, we will call welcome page function. Let's add this function to button. You can see I can switch back into welcome page. Now let's link admin login page. Here I will add this back button in admin login page. And the same function, we will use for back button. Here we will just destroy admin login page frame. Now let's link admin login page into welcome page. Let's add this function to button. So we have linked these pages, we can switch, and we can switch back these pages. Now we will start to create add account page, and also we will link add account page, with welcome page. Here I am creating a frame. These two attributes will add around color border and frame. I will copy these attributes and I will add in add account page frame. And I will resize add account page frame. You can see frame resized, and a round color border added. Now we will create Add Picture section. Here I am creating a frame. In the Add Picture section frame, we will add Picture button, for Add Student Picture. Here we will use image, for Add Student Picture button. Let's load this image. All these images, download link will be available in the description box. Now let's create label and entry box. ENT means entry box. Let's add a round color border in entry box. Highlight color attribute will set color of a round border, when entry box selected or focused. Highlight background attribute will set color of a round border, when entry box unselected or unfocused. Highlight thickness attribute will set size of a round border. You can see entry box around border color is gray, because entry box is currently unselected. When I select entry box, you can see around border color is changed. Now let's create label and radio buttons, for select student gender. Now let's set up radio buttons for selection. Now we will create label and entry box for student age input. Now we will create label and combo box for select student class. Let's create combo box. So we will use ttk.Combobox. Let's import ttk.Combobox. So we will set combo box state read-only. Read-only state will allow selection only. Let's add student classes list for selection. Here is student classes list. Here you can see, I can select any class. Now let's create generated student ID number section. So here I will place a entry box. In the entry box we will insert generated 6 digits of ID number. Now we will set this entry box state read-only. Here I am inserting a random ID number in entry box, before setting read-only state. And also student can copy ID number from entry box. Let's create generated student ID number info label. Basically in the info label we will mention about, what for use ID number. Now let's create label in entry box, for enter student email address input. Now let's create email info label. Now let's create label in entry box, for enter student password input. Now let's create password info label. Now let's create home and submit button. Now let's create switch back functionality. If the user clicked home button, then the user will redirect to welcome page. And also we will display confirmation box when user clicked home button. But in this video we will switch back directly into welcome page without displaying confirmation box. And in the next part of video, we will create confirmation box and more. Let's create switch back functionality. Same idea we will use, which we have implement for student and admin login page. Here frame will be destroyed. Let's add this function to home button. You can see welcome page switched back. Now let's link add account page into welcome page. So here I will add this whole code of add account page in a function. So we have added add account page in a function. But wait, here will problem in add account page interface. Let me show you. Here you can see in info labels, here is extra spaces added. Let's solve this problem, and also I will tell you why this happened. This happened when we add account page in function. Here in the function indentation, here is added extra spaces, we will remove these spaces. Now looking well. Now let's link add account page into welcome page. Again same idea we will use. You can see I can switch between add account page and welcome page. This complete project playlist link will be available in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.